Are you tired of wasting time searching for available office spaces in your workplace? QuickBook allows you to quickly and easily book available office spaces with just a few clicks. With Kadence, you no longer have to waste time searching through long lists of available spaces. Simply head to your interactive office floor map to see where your colleagues are sitting. Select the space you want, choose the exact times you need by the minute, and hit book. It's that easy. You can even see what's available in the future, so you can book a room in advance for a meeting you have next month, helping you plan ahead and saving you time. So why waste time searching for available office spaces? Try QuickBook today and make booking a breeze. Kadence. Find your rhythm for work.